This video, I'm going to show you how to use 1xBet bonus amount. So it will be very simple to do. Before continuing the video, I will invite you to create a 1xBet professional account by coming and clicking here to registration. Now you will come and click right down here to buy email, which will be the full inscription. You will come right up to your promotional code BOTV, whereby entering this promotional code you will get 300% of bonuses at your first deposit, meaning that if you put an amount of $10, you will receive $30. Continue the video. Firstly, you will just come and click right to your menu, where now from here you will just select and see the categories where you can play 1xBet bonus games. So for example, you are at the category of casino. So if you come to 1xgames here, you will see the option bonuses. You will just enter. So you will see all the types and games of bonus that you can play. For example, you can enter on bonuses, and now you will see now the lucky wheels and win unique bonuses. You can play the lucky wheel so as to gain a considerable amount of money. So you can also play complete a task each day to your daily bonus. And also you have other things like quest of the day, jackpot, daily tournament, and all the rest. So when everything will be set, you will just see that by winning the bonus games, you will just see that your amount will start increasing and it will come right up to the electronic wallet. So it will be the same if you come out and come to the casino. By clicking on casino, you will see promo. For example, you can click on promo so as to choose promo games, for example, which are very free to play, like Jackie's Bet, Loyalty Pays Off, and all the rest, so as to help you use the 1xBet bonus games. When it will be now full, when the amount of money will be now full that you have been winning on the bonus games, you will just come now so as to bet and use it as you like. You can come now here, for example, and put it and bet on a sport, on a particular sport that you can like. For example, esports, football games, basketball, on all the rest, depending on what you like. You can also come and put it on this match, for example, if you like, and it will be as easy as that.